Hello, friends. Welcome to KPS Global Trades. Our motive is passion, patience, profit. We are price and momentum based technical analysis. We are here with another video today to discuss about the index analysis, and then we will discuss about the two stocks which we have given in our last video. What was the performance on that, and one bonus stock at the end. So please do watch this video till end to get the full flavor of the video. Also, if you are first time to our channel, please do subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any future videos. And there is also a Telegram link below this video. Please join our Telegram channel. There we give daily in the morning, the first 5 minutes we share the chart of Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures with resistance and support levels for the day to help people to trade options or futures during the day as intraday. Before we move on, as a disclaimer, whatever analysis we do is just for the educational purpose, and this is not any trade recommendations. Before trading or taking any positions, please discuss with your financial advisor. So let's move on to the charts. So if you guys have seen, the index has been trading in the range. If you see this Nifty, right, on 6th of October the high was 17,428, then it made low of 16,956.95, and then yesterday it opened gapped up, but it did not sustain. So it's still in this range, okay, and it's not breaking on the higher side as well as on the lower side, but there is chances if it broke lower side on 16,956, if it breaks that on a daily closing basis, then it can go till 16,740 to 16,650, because you can see there is a gap here between 16,650 and between 746, right? So this can be gap, can be the support if it breaks 16,956, whereas there is, as global market pressure mounting out, there are chances that it can still remain in this range or sideways or consolidate in this range during this month, unless until it gives breakout on either side. So index is in the range, right? If you can even see RSI is between 50 and 40. This is also not showing any trend as of now. It's also on a sideways consolidation. Breaking below 40 can show some weakness, or breaking above 50 can show some strength. If we go on the moving average, it's just taking support. So again, the 16,950, 16,907 on a moving average, this is coming to be a very, very strong support. So high probability that it should remain in this range. Similarly, let's go and analyze Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also made high of 39,608, which is acting as a strong resistance, although there are so many banks results, right? Federal Bank came yesterday, and then there is HDFC Bank during the weekend. So Bank Nifty can show some strength, as RSI is also close above 51, but still the range remains same till the time it does not give a close above 39,610 on a daily basis. This is also gonna be in the range where there is a higher support as well, which is around 38,437. So there is a higher support as well, so it can remain in between 38,400 to 39,600. So this is around 1,200 points, right? This can sustain in between this, and once it moves above 39,600, then we can see some traction, some momentum on this as well. Another favorite of our indices which we normally do analysis is IT. Now IT, with Infosys result coming up, it opened gapped up, but still again, if you can see on 11th October high 28,313, right, and 28,371 was yesterday. So it's not able to close above this resistance. So if it close above this resistance, then we can see next level, because this is a gap which it has to fill. Otherwise, on a lower side, 27,500 is also a support. So all the three major indices is showing that they are failed, they are not able to cross above the resistance, and they can move towards the support. Only difference is IT is showing some strength as per RSI, as RSI is moved above 50 and it's sustaining above that. If it does not go below 50, the leadership for next rally should come from IT sector. So keep a watch on IT stocks. If Nifty has to break that resistance, the leadership can come from IT and bank Nifty, followed by Bank Nifty. So IT will show first. If IT doesn't show that, then it's very difficult for Nifty to go beyond the resistance level. Right, so this is our analysis on index for the next week. Let's go on to our stock recommendations, which we discussed in the last week. Cochin Shipyard, this has given a wonderful rally, right? If you guys go and check the last video, right, the breakout was around 437, and you can see on 3rd of October the low was 435. It gave a breakout. Our first target was 490, which was achieved in the same day because the stock was 10% up. The second target was 560, so it touched high of 559.85, and then since then it's consolidating. So it has given a good move. Both targets are achieved. Now this can be in this range of 440 to 560, right? 440 can be, or 440 450 can be a good level to re-enter into this stock, and again aim for 560. Once it moves above 560, it can head way higher. You can see this. The next target was 600. Yeah, next target was 600, and then it can go higher. But as of now it can consolidate into this range, 560 on the higher side, 437 on the lower side. So stop loss can be closing below 400. This can be a good trade buy on dips. Next stock which we recommended was Trill, but the recommendation was very clearly if it close above 60, or the best buying price was close to 46. So we can see it went above but couldn't sustain, and now it's around 52. So we can expect it touching around 46 to 47, which can be the good level for buying, for taking a position in this trade with a stop loss of closing below 40 on a weekly basis. You can see the weekly chart as well, right? This has given a good move around almost, we have seen in last 3 weeks when it gave move around 13, 12, 25, around 42% move it has given. Now it's retracing back, so we are expecting it to touch our entry level around 46, 47, which can be the right level to enter into this stock for a target of 60 and then 90, 86 to 90. So this trade was still not active. We are still looking for a right entry place where we can get this to be a movement. If you can see on this, see this, after it touching the high, the volumes are down. So for it's falling with lower volumes, so there is no strength in the fall. So eventually once it start picking it up, there are high probability that it can cross this level aggressively. Now let's go on to the bonus stock for the day. Even in this kind of volatile market where the market is in the range, we have one stock, BLS International, which is trying to make new 52-week high. You can see in this last 4 weeks, as this is a weekly chart, you can see last 4 weeks, 12th September week it touched 303.6, and today again it tried to close above that. If it gives me a weekly close above this, or even a daily close above this around 305 odd levels, this is ready for next rally. The stock is already on 52-week high and it can give a good return. Below that the support is around 250, 257, right? So good stop loss will be below 250 on a daily closing basis, or we can enter on any dips. If we get close to 257, 260 can be good entry levels as well, or after the breakout. Even if you see the daily chart, you can see it's being consolidating the same level. Today it tried to close above that, but it couldn't able to move. So if it moves in next week above this level, this can be a good stock which can give you good return even before Diwali. So this can make your Diwali also. So guys, thank you very much. Thanks for joining us today. This is for the day. Again, I reiterating, if you're first time to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any good quality stock analysis. Our motive is to teach people, to make people learn and then earn, right? Without learning, the sustainability of earnings is very less. Also, very soon we are coming it up our Diwali offer on our education mentorship program. Right, this is the course which we teach to our people, learn and earn, under the learn and earn, where we mentor people for throughout the life. And most important thing in this is to teach them about risk management and price action with few indicators. So there are below this video there are our all the social media channel links, or you can contact us on our email or through Telegram Messenger. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time today. Bye bye.